guys, I'm Adam. I'm one of the receptionists here at BJC Health. As you walk into our office in Chatswood and in Parramatta, you'll find that we have these self-checking kiosks. Now we put these in here just to help alleviate some of the lines and queues that might pop up at reception front counter. Plus it allows you to come in, just sign in and take a seat straight away. If you're a new patient, you want to go straight to reception, and if you're carrying a care plan or a referral or any documentation, just straight up to reception. I'll show you how to use the kiosk. So you want to just tap the screen to start off. It'll pop up with your language options. So we've got English, Mandarin and Cantonese and Italian. So for the sake of this, I'm just going to pop the English, and then you want to click check-in. You want to pop in your date, month and year. I'll do mine for the example, and then click next. Perfect. So your appointment time will pop out. You just confirm yes, and then if your mobile number or email has changed, you can always update that. That saves you waiting in line at reception, and then you're done. You can go take a seat.